What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Logo Mogo 50 channel. My name is Logan. Today I just wanted to do like a part 3 video, I guess, on my 1911 serial number C107. In my last video I did for this, I kind of just went through like a little overview of the 1911. In this one I just wanted to show it again. The first video I ever made on this gun was it's kind of up on 6 years now. Not a lot has changed on the gun. But I do have some little bit of information on the bluing and the refinishing that's been done on it. So let's just get into it real quick. I also have a better camera today, so hopefully I can actually show the serial number. So here it is. It's Colt 1911. There we go. Let me see if I can get it to focus. The lighting's not helping. But anyway, you can kind of see it in the light right there. Serial number C107. So that's right, the 107th 1911 ever made. This gun was made in 1912 by Colt, and then from there it went to Mexico City to a gun dealer, and then a Mexican general actually went into that shop and bought it and purchased it and carried it in the army for a while. And then sometime or another it got into the States. I think from the general it went to someone who was in the Navy and the United States Navy. Then from there it went to one of my grandfather's friends. Actually bought it from, I believe he was an admiral in the Navy. So my grandfather's friend bought the gun from the admiral, and he had it for a little while, and then eventually my grandfather bought this 1911 from him and then passed it down to me. So it's in my possession now. It's not going to go anywhere else. It's going to be in my family forever. Just continuing to pass it down. So the rebluing. So everybody gives me crap all the time about this being the 107 1911 and how could you possibly reblue it and stuff. First of all, I'm not the person who freaking reblued it. Okay. It was done in the 70s. I don't know if it was my grandfather. It might have been him or somebody else. But they actually did a really decent job. This is the color it would have been in 1912. It's kind of darker sheen. The first couple 1911s, that's what the bluing was. It was kind of that darker, almost black looking finish. One second. Sorry, that's a dog. Anyway, but yeah, everything is original on it. The only thing that's missing is the lanyard loop right here at the end. Not exactly sure what happened to that lanyard loop, but you got to keep in mind this thing is over 100 years old, so I mean crap's gonna fall off it eventually. Another kind of issue with the gun is the top of the barrel right here. In 1912 the whole barrel was blued, so when this came from the factory it would have been blued. I'm guessing when it got refinished or sometime over its lifetime someone either polished it. I can't imagine that's from rounds being through it. I can't imagine. I mean, I'm sure this gun has had a bunch of rounds through it, but I don't know if they would be enough to actually wear the bluing down that much, because I mean that's definitely polished. But anyway, the grips on the gun, not the ones that came on it, but they are time period correct. They're from that production run. The screws that are with the gun are the ones that came with it. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty much in stock form. Everything is good to go on it. The sights, there's nothing to rave about. It's definitely, back then it was kind of a point and shoot kind of thing. Accuracy was just kind of, well, you hit them or you didn't. But anyway, it's definitely a cool gun. Something I'm gonna continue to keep in my family and pass it down from generation to generation. Thank you for watching. I just wanted to clarify some things with the bluing, and hope you guys stay tuned for more. I'll probably do another video on it, maybe a little more in depth for some people if they want that. But yeah, again, thanks for watching. Have a great day.